My name is Craig Freedman, and I'm CEO of Freedman Seating Company. We're a vertically integrated manufacturer of seats for the surface transportation industry. So think of buses, trucks, rail cars, and ferries. The culture, we've tried to instill a culture of inclusiveness. We're a family-run company. We care deeply about our employees. We wouldn't be where we are without them, and we try to create an environment where everybody can thrive.
The culture, I define it as more family-oriented. We're privately held. And so it's really just a family. They care about their employees, and so we truly try and give employees their voice, as well as make sure that they're treated with respect and equally across the board. So because we do everything here, our lowest level positions can be anywhere from janitorial to packing, and we go there from assembly, upholstery, gluing, to machine operating, welding, engineering, customer service, accounts receivable, so all realms of positions.
We care deeply about the community that we live in, that we work in. Where we're on the west side of Chicago, in one of the most disinvested areas of Chicago, if not the country. And it's very important that we hire from within this community to start a cycle of success. Providing a job within the community helps that community prosper. A dollar earned in the community is typically a dollar spent in the community and will help bring that community up.
One, because it helps the communities that we serve and the communities that they're in. Also, it helps us obtain people that we normally don't reach out to or don't know to apply to us directly. It kind of gets our name out there as well. But it's really about giving back to the community and developing those community organization relationships.
My name is Daniel Mackey, and I am the Workforce Development Manager for Growing Home Incorporated. Growing Home is a USDA certified organic farm, a high production organic farm on the south side of Chicago in the Inglewood community. We produce about between 20 and 30,000 pounds of produce a year. This year our goal is 40,000. But we're also a social enterprise and an employment training program. And so we have a 12-week paid employment training program. And so we use urban agriculture as a means to prepare individuals for long-term sustainable employment. Freedman Seating is an employer partner that we've connected with, and RiseKit has been instrumental in helping to get people hired at Freedman Seating, which is a really, really big employer partner for us. And we're really grateful that RiseKit is a part of that because we're looking to get our graduates as well as alumni hired at long-term sustainable job opportunities. And so if RiseKit can be the bridge for us with that process, we are super, super grateful.
Well, right now it's so hard to find job candidates for many industries due to this current labor challenge that everyone talks about. What we found out is that companies and corporations didn't know about this untapped talent pipeline or can't really scale it through community organizations. RiseKit's platform easily lets corporations and companies tap into community organizations that bring on their job seekers, which are untapped talent.
My name is Rafael Perry. I'm a machine operator. I work with sandblast machines. I take the metal and I blast it to a nice polished finish, take the burr and weld marks off. Well, actually, Growing Homes helped me. They gave me all the accesses, the RiseKit and other accesses to where to search and find jobs. And they already gave me the other tools as far as in how to do it, how to get the resume, how to make it, upload it, and things like that.
So a majority of our manufacturing is done here in Chicago. We have over 400,000 square feet on the west side of Chicago. We do everything from early metal work all the way down to assembling full seats. So a lot of the machines that we have up front in our factory are CNC operated machines, flat lasers, cutting metal, bending metal. So a lot of that initial metal work before it goes on to welders. We do a lot of the cutting and fabricating at the start. When you're sandblasting, that product is done. I mean, you're kind of putting the finishing touch on it.
Yeah.
So we're not going to go back and weld anything. Normally we're not going to paint it after it gets blasted. So the way a product looks, the way a piece of metal looks after it leaves your area, is the way the touch can, why it's so formed that it looks. That's essentially the finished product.
So we're gonna wrap this middle part, where you can see the before and the after.
So this is one of our assembly areas. We have about 4 or 5 assembly areas depending on the type of seat that's being assembled. So essentially a seat is, you have a metal frame, you've got some comfortable foam, and then a fabric or a vinyl, a faux leather that goes on top. So what this gentleman is doing now, he's assembling all those 3 pieces together, the frame, the foam, and the cover.